Hey, what's going on, guys? At first, I wasn't going to film this video, but I decided to anyway. I was going to do this at another time, but I figured I should bring the Rubik's Cube collection to Cherry Hill Mall and offer it for sale. But before I do that, I had to wipe it off, it's a little dusty. Before I do that, I figured, wouldn't it be fun to see how fast I can solve all these? Now, I haven't done a 2x2 in a while, but I haven't really done a 3x3 either in a while, maybe like a couple weeks, but you know, I should be able to do it. So I was just going to, excuse me, time myself. So let's get to it. Took the back off, and I'm going to keep this like that so you can see it. And I'm going to start my first one. Hopefully those didn't fall. You know, hopefully you can zoom in and you can see. But I'm gonna mess it up first. And I'm gonna mess up all of them real quick, just to make it fair, so that the timer, you know, you see that I'm actually, you know what I mean, doing it. So I'm gonna mess them all up real quick. My favorite one is the Lego one. This is what this one is, which is regular. This one's like it doesn't, I don't think it glows in the dark, but basically it's just like faded colors. And then you got the Lego one. This is a little bit harder because it's like bulky, but I like it because of this textile feel. But yeah, I don't know what I would sell this all for, but I figured I'd offer for sale. I got one at my office, but I don't need all these anymore. I got them when I was really into Rubik's Cubes, but don't really need them as much. Alright, let's do this one. As you can see, I got some speed cubes. Got that. Here's another one. This is another kind, similar to like this one. Let's see what we got. Got that one. Got another one. And y'all, I want y'all to drop in the comments and tell me how fast y'all think I'm gonna get this done. Right? Just, I mean, give me, I'm not like, you know, I'm not gonna say I get it done in 40 seconds, but you know, I want y'all to know in the comments, drop in the comments what you really think I'm gonna get these done in. So another one. Alright, so I don't even know. I might not even do the 2x2. I'm probably just gonna do the 3x3 just to make it easy. Cause I don't remember the last time I solved one of those. I'm sure I could do it, but I don't have enough time in this video to do a 3x3. And hey, if you see me at Cherry Hill Mall tomorrow and you want me to do one that's a 2x2, I'll do it. You know what I mean? In person. But just right now, I just don't have that much time to try to do that. This one's a number one. It's kind of crazy, but as long as you keep your eyes on the color, it doesn't matter. And then this one's just all like carbon fiber, kind of like touchstone. So let's see how many we got. Oh, I don't think you can see me from that angle. Yeah. So now you can see how many cubes I got. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm gonna slide it back a little bit. And then maybe I should like get up and do it, right? How about this? Can you see me? Okay. It's kind of odd shape, so I'm gonna go like this. Maybe crouch. I don't know. It's kind of odd shape, but let's do this one. Hopefully you can see my hands. Get closer to you, but so that way you can see it. Ah, stop it. There you go. Well, let's try it this way. You know what I mean? You can see I'm doing this all in one take. All right. Maybe like that. It's an odd position, but because my arms are completely stretched. But let's try this. Looks like I made another cell, as you can hear in the background. Yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think, what time frame. Alright, got that. Still got these sides. Alright. Alright, got the first one solved. Alright, let's do the number one next. Sometimes it gets stuck. That's always the pain, trying to get them on, like not get them stuck. Oh, there you go, there. All right, well, what do I got next? What do I got next? Okay. Oh, what the heck's going on here? So where do I go next? Come on. My hands won't get under control. And the more that I keep doing it, is the more that my speed increases. So, like everyone knows, it's practice. Practice makes perfect. Okay. Oh. Alright, so I got most of those corners. Let's try to line up our sides. Alright. Looks like everything's in the, oh, no, not everything's in the right position. Let's try again. Let's see now. All right, everything's in the right position. Now look this off. Oh, snap. Okay, that really confused me, but got that one solved. That one's done. On to the next one. I usually start with yellow. It's just what I'm familiar with. I do other colors, but for now, I'm just going to stick with the time frame. This is a lot easier one because it's not as like bulky. And then once again, I'm sitting at a weird angle because I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. Come on. This one might get done a lot faster. Yeah, I'm about to just go crazy real quick. Oh. As you can see, I'm going crazy. Alright, now I can solve this one. Alright, got another one solved. Alright, another one. Let's try. This is a fun one of mine too. I like doing this one. Oh. I don't know where I just threw that one. Alright, cool. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for y'all that y'all can't see what my hands are doing, and that everything's in the camera, hopefully. Oh. Make sure I got all the sides. Alright, let's go. Let's go a little crazy. I don't know what happened there. I thought I dropped something. Let's see what's going on with this. Whoa. Everything in the right spot. Something looks crazy, but yep, everything looks like it's in the right spot. Alright, oh, alright, cool. Look us off. Hopefully I don't mess up. Oh, and I flipped the whole entire cube. What the frick did I just do there? Okay. Ooh. Alright, cool. Solid. I flipped the whole cube by mistake. Alright, we're gonna do the Lego next. This one's weird because the sides are gray now. So I had to just remember it's the same like every other one. Come on, come on. Where we at? Oh, okay. Took me a second to realize what side I was on. Now this one might fight me. But keep with this with the process. Come on. Alright, go fast because my back's starting to hurt from this angle. Come on. Nope. Black side. Nope. One thing I just noticed, I got these on the wrong side, so I'm gonna fix that real quick. Alright, cool. Alright, now I have to fix this. Come on. Sometimes I get stuck, so you be fighting with them. Come on. Nope, move. Alright, cool. Got that all situated. Come on. Alright, so got those all in the right positions. Now I should be able to solve it. Gotcha. Alright, so solved. We're down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're on 6. Halfway there. Right, I guess. And I'm talking all at once trying to solve this, so it gets even more challenging. This one I might be able to do faster. I like the smoothness of this a little bit different. It's not as bulky. I might not talk as much because I am locked in. Starting to see the lines up now. Yeah, I'm starting to see the colors now, buddy. Come on. I just realized what was wrong, why I was having issues. Alright, now I'm back. I was like, what the frick is going on? Alright, got another one. One on 6. Alright, next one. These are pink, so a little bit different. Obviously this is not a world record, but this will be really dope to add to the channel. And hopefully y'all smash the crap out of this like button, because I hope this is impressive to you. Alright. This one makes a lot more noise. That's just a good thing. Come on. Alright. What's going on? I'm going so fast. I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright, hold on. Nope. Nope. And just realized what the issue was. Now let's fix it. Okay. Oh, okay, now I can solve it. I might have just messed up. Don't know yet. I'll know in a second though. Yep, I definitely messed up. Okay, first mess up. Let's just reset. First mess up. Like I said, I was going too fast and didn't know what I was doing. So you see, real time, just messed up. So now pressure is on because now that is on my time front. I think I started around 3 minutes, so if y'all can drop in the comments and say exactly where we're at on time for everybody, timestamp it, let everybody know. I started at 3 minutes, so let me know where I'm at now. Okay. Oh crap. And oh, this is all messed up. Come on. Did I do it one more time? Okay, back on track. Okay. Back on track. Okay, now I can solve. Holy crap, I just messed up again. Hold on. What the frick? What is going on? What's happening here? Oh, what the frick? This one's a lot more challenging than I thought it would be. It's like the colors are blending in. And I'm trying to move fast. Slow down on this one. I messed up 3 times already. Oh. Alright. This is always one of the hard ones for me. Come on. What the frick? Going on? What? My brain's going crazy. Okay. Woo! Okay, solved it. I don't know what the frick was going on. So, 3 minutes, so we 16 minutes in on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7. We're on 7. 13. I don't know what that time frame is, but it's almost like 3 minutes a cube or something like that. And especially since I messed up on that one, so really sucks. Alright. Really sucks because I can do this pretty fast. Ain't no messing up from here on. That was the first mess up too, and I did it 3 times. As y'all can see, I was struggling on that one. I said, yo, what is going on? Okay. Oh, Jesus. What is going on here? Did I get them lined up? Okay. Oh, what the heck? Tell me this one's confusing. Oh, moving too fast. Oh, what the frick? What's going on? Oh. What the? Hit them. What is going on here? Oh. Okay. Alright, so that one. I don't know what the heck was going on. Alright, we got another light color. I hate this one. Alright, come on. It's one way to run the brain, right? I think I'm doing yellow or something. I don't know, who knows? I just know I'm doing one of the colors. Oop. Come on. Alright. Oh, I think I can solve now. That was easy. Alright, got another one. Last one, guys. Oh, this one's really wonky because after looking at all them crazy colors for so long. Hold on. Oh, random news. Alright, well, where you at? Messed up. Oh no. Well, probably can fix it. Oh. Yep, I think I fixed it. Okay. Alright, look this off. Oh. Oh, I definitely just messed up. Yep, I messed it up. Hold on. I knew exactly what I did too. I was like, oh no. When going at that speed, sometimes the strategy goes out the window. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, did I just do it again? What are you doing? Oh my God, I just did it again. I just did it again. I was like, what the I don't know, I'm getting tired. Okay. I saw what I did. Oh. What the? What the world? I don't even know what I was just doing right there. I kept doing the same move over and over. So this is definitely going to add time to the clock. Oh, this one's really crazy because it's super easy to mess up on. You're flicking it so fast. All right. Oh my God, I did it again. What in the world? I don't even know what I did. I don't know how I just did that. Oh my God. Alright. I'm almost back to normal because I had messed this whole thing up. What? Oh, okay. Oh, guys, done. 27 minutes. Jesus, that was a lot. So smash that like button for me. I don't even know what the time frame that is. I started at 3 minutes or something, 3 minutes and 33 seconds. So minus off 27, so what's that, 24 minutes? You got 10, what's that, 2 minutes and 40 seconds for each one or something like that? Somebody do the math on that. I can't do it right now. Let me check. I think my laptop died. Let me see. Pretty sure we started at, oh, camera's dying. Yeah, somebody do the math on that. I'm thinking we started at 3 minutes and 33 seconds. And I think I finished at like 27 minutes and like 37 seconds or something like that. And then that's like 24 minutes and some change, 10 of them. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Should have did that way faster than that. But guys, smash the like button. I'll catch y'all at Cherry Hill Mall. Thank y'all, man.